Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unboxing for you, or unbagging. So before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. I'd really appreciate it. So let's get into this. This comes to me from FGnormal, and I just have a couple items that I got from them. And the first thing that I got is called Rose Coffee. Okay. And this is a partial. And it comes with your regular toolkit, which is a green boat, pink wax, and a pink single placer pen. That is all that you need to do any diamond painting, regardless of size. It doesn't matter. Alright, and as you can see, it does come with some crystals and some special shapes. So, I am going to roll this back so that we can at least flatten it some and see what I got. Alright, so this is Rose Coffee. It is a little 30 by 30 partial special shape drill canvas. It's very sticky. I just stuck my finger to it. And this is, let me look. This was $4.84 on FGnormal. Okay, now we got it. And there are 11 colors, or 11 drills, crystals, whatever you want to call it. Very colorful, very, very pretty. You've got a schematic in the top right, bottom left. None of this is done because this is a partial. The only thing is where your numbers and your symbols are. Very sticky though. Alright, we're going to look at this real quick. Sorry about the crinkly, but it is plastic. Alright, so we have got, I hope y'all can see this in the lighting. I'm just using natural light today. So we've got some blue, we've got green, and then we've got a light green, and then we have like a aqua teal, then we got some reds, some, looks like some, not clear, but almost. Then we've got some little tiny yellow pearls, and then we've got these, which this is the special shapes. And they have got, this one has got the iridescent, the teardrop is just a blue, if you can see it. I think these are marquees. And then we have these rounds that are different colors. And then we have these pink starburst looking ones. Those are pretty. So, nice looking drills. And again, this is in a series. There are different coffee cups. To me though, this is like a teacup. I know it's a coffee cup, but they're so dainty that to me this would be teacup. I like a big honking mug for my coffee. So anyway, again, there is a series of these. There's some different ones with different colored roses, different colored cups. So y'all check this series out if you are a coffee drinker. But again, this is $4.84 FGnormal. Alright, I'm going to set that over there. And then the last thing I got, which yes, I know it's a little too late, but better late than never. I have wanted this pen forever, and I finally found it, and it is the Halloween pin. And it comes with a single placer. Look, you can see there's pumpkins, there's alien looking things, there's ghosts, skeletons. There's like a skull and bones, if you can see that. Is that teeth? Yep, looks like some vampire teeth right there. Just all kinds of different little Halloween things in it. So it comes with the single placer. And it comes with 6 things of the purple wax. Comes with a purple boat. And the other multi-placers. Alright, we've got a straightener. Let me see if I can get these out without getting those little rings everywhere. We've got a 6-placer. And this one's the 9-placer. And then we have the bent. And we have the 3-placer. So, there's all of these. If y'all can see those. And then the single placers in the pen. And then we've got all the little O-rings that goes on here so that these will stay in the pen. If you don't put the O-rings on and you stick the multi-placer in there, it's just going to fall out. So there's this. And like I said, I know it's a little late to show, but who cares? Now this, where's it at? Was $12.12. But now I wish, and maybe they do, I just haven't seen them, but I wish they had one for every holiday. That would be so cool. So this is what I got from FGnormal. And I want to thank them for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. And yeah, go check this series out. They're very, very, very pretty. And I will put the links to these both in my description box if they're still available, which I'm sure they are. The pen's hard to find. So, but since it's November, you might be able to find the pen now. But anyway, all right. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you just do all the YouTubey things, and please subscribe if you're watching the video at this point. Obviously, I'm doing something that you want to watch and see. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And yeah, that's about all I got, y'all. So like I said, I'll leave links to these in my description box. And until my next video, y'all have a good one. Bye, y'all.